Hello everyone, this video is a follow-up to the winter pill video that I posted about 5 or 6 months ago. I closed this pool in December and the only thing that I put here is the winter pill before I remove all the hoses and pump from the pool and cover it. So today we're going to find out how effective is the winter pill. We're going to be opening this pool and see how it goes. Okay, so the water looks clean. It's not crystal clear, but there is no algae bloom, which is really good. So let me go ahead and grab the winter pill and show you. Okay, this is the winter pill right now. You see, it used to be blue and now it's been replaced with the regular pool water. So this is full right now. So I'm not sure how this worked. When I first pull this in, I think there's like a little air gap from here, but now it's full and I think the pool water has actually replaced it as well. So this is the winter pill and this is how the water looks like right now. You can see there are some dirt accumulated in that area and also on those area right there. And I just want to let you know the winter pill is supposed to last about 4 months. Because they have a winter pill, spring pill, and a summer pill. So I'm supposed to add a spring pill here around April or May, but I decided not to buy one. So this is actually winter pill from December to the beginning of May. And then at the beginning of May, I just added 1 cup of chlorine every 2 weeks. So it looks like the pool is ready to go. So at this point you just have to take some measurement and make some adjustment to balance your water, and you should be able to start enjoying your pool. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Again, the product is winter pill. This is what you use to close your pool, and it works. And if you want to purchase this and help my channel, make sure to click my Amazon affiliate link. That thing is not going to cost you anything extra. Amazon will simply give us a commission based on their profit. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and like this video as well. And thank you for watching.